Okay, we're going to try something new this semester for Physics 1. We're going to use this thing called MentorMob. I'm going to take you through how to do it, so if you just pay attention to this video, it should be self-explanatory. First thing is, this is the first step. It says open content in a new tab. So I click on that, and what comes up is a little video. Let's make it full screen. This is made by yours truly. It's about work. Pushing the car 4 meters. Car doesn't move. Not enough force. Distance is 0 meters. 0 work. So work, does it equal force times distance? You bet. Need to know these things. Write them down. You can play this as many times as you need to write it down. You can even pause it. Important. Notice the force and motion are not in the same line. No work. Negative work. He's lifting up as he slowly lowers it. Force and motion are opposite directions.
Created using Powtoon.
Now what I'm going to do is take us to the next slide. I close that out. Challenge. If I carry 10 pieces of wood to my truck, am I doing any work on the wood while I'm walking to the truck? I don't think so. Correct. Let's close that. The next thing. It says please enter your name. So I enter my name. BL Block 1A. Look at the equation for work. Step 1 would be the first step. You can go backwards by clicking on this. If you don't know that, it's it's work equals F times D. What's the unit for work? Joules. How much work does a carpenter do if he carries a 500 Newton board horizontally for 10 meters? This is similar to one of the slides we just saw. He does 0 work because he's lifting up and he's moving horizontally. Submit. Submits it to Google, and I can look. It says you've navigated away from original. Let's go back to the original. I do. I want to hit the next step. And these are some problems. Okay, we can print these problems out. If you click down here and you click down here, you can print these problems out and you can work on them. Notice if I click here, now it's going to say, do I want to open this up? I want to keep it, and I can download this sheet. Okay, so this would be homework, and you would do this using given formula work. Next little slide is going to tell us about the next section, which is power. You can navigate through these slides. If you want to make them smaller so you can see them all at once, I'm clicking on this zoom out button, and there are all the slides. And it tells me what power is. Power is the rate at which work is done. Power is measured in watts. 1 watt equals 1 joule per second. Power is work divided by time, or if I just substitute what work is, force times distance divided by time. Thinking questions. Oh, I can't read that. So let's go over here and make it a little bigger. 2 people weigh the same amount and both run up a flight of stairs. Do they do the same amount of work? Think about it. Who would be the most powerful person? assuming they don't run up in the same amount of time. If they are not the same weight, could the lighter person ever be more powerful? That's a toughie. Remember, to be a power at school, you'll have to work overtime. Get it? Okay, what to do next? Go on to the next step by clicking on this next button up here. Read who is the most powerful student. This is an activity that we're going to do in class. Think about how to figure out an experiment of running up the stairs who is the most powerful student. So we click on the next step button. There is the lab. Down here we can download it if we want, or I can go here and open this in a new window. It opens it in Google, and I can go to File, Print if I want to do it that way. Okay? That's the activity we're going to be doing. Next, here are some more problems for power. Okay? And if you look over here, it'll tell you these are the little steps. So you can go back to any step you want, okay, by clicking on this. Power problems. It says read over the example problems. Next, print out problems and complete all problems using given formula work format and circling your final answer. Okay? For here, it says read the activity, print it off if you need a copy. This says please go over the PowerPoint, print these problems out, complete, quiz, test your understanding, and this is the video that we started with. Okay? That goes away, and we are done.